What are you working on?
We're making birthday cards for the conference. I'm doing like a handmade pie.
I like that.
Do a flower pot.
A flower pot? Nice. So, are you working together or are you working on your own projects?
We're working on our own.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Awesome. Okay, boys, what are you guys doing?
I'm just drawing my name for my binder.
For your binder? Okay.
Miss
Okay,
Rowe,
cool.
Miss Rowe, do you have to do the birthday card?
You don't have to. It's a contest, though. You might win.
I'm drawing something of a TV show. I am too.
From a TV show?
Yeah.
Is it a show that you watch?
Yes.
Okay. What is the show?
Adventure Time.
Adventure Time. I've heard of that, actually. All right, I'm going to wander over here and see what's going on. These boys. So, guys, can you tell me what you're working on?
I'm drawing Godzilla with punching gloves.
With punching gloves? All of you are doing Godzilla.
No. I'm drawing a giant jet made out of pencils and erasers.
Okay.
I did this.
Nice.
And a pencil whistle and pencil man trying to defend himself with a pencil.
Awesome.